All right, boys and girls, we are ready for third grade test prep crunch time day 12. So here we go. What are two ways to find the product of 2 and 80? Well, let's look at that there. 2 times 8, that's not going to give us the same, is it? 2 times 10 is not going to give us the same, so we know neither of those two. 2 times 8 and then times 10, because 8 times 10 is 80. That is a way. Oh wait, it says 2, so I gotta find another one. 2 groups of 8 ones, well that's right there. So we know that's not it, so we know that's not it. How about 2 groups of 8 tens? Bingo! That is the right one, okay? All right, let's look over here now. Lou painted 4 out of 8 equal parts of an art project. Which of the following fractions is equivalent the amount of the project that Lou painted? I think it's 2, the amount. Anyway, let's go. So 4/8. Let's see here. You know what? I think I can divide each one by 2. Okay? So I'm going to say equals. Remember that, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Oh, I don't see it. You know what? Let's divide by 2 again. 2 goes into both of those, right? So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1/2. Is that over? There it is. 1/2. Yeah. All right, which of the following is a reasonable mass for a Chihuahua? Chihuahua is that little small dog. Maybe you've seen it on certain commercials or something before, but it's not a very large dog, okay? The best guess would be 2 kilograms, excuse me. All right, how many pairs of parallel sides does this shape have? Now remember, parallel sides, I'm going to borrow another pencil here. Parallel sides are kind of like these 2 lines right here on our paper, right? They go on forever, both ways, and they never touch, okay? So, if I were to draw this line, yeah, I'll use the pencil. Why not? I got it here. If I keep drawing that up here, it's going to go like that. And if I keep drawing this line up there, guess what? They touch, don't they? So these 2 lines are not parallel, okay? This line and this line, they will go on forever. They are parallel, okay? I like to think of the 2 L's in parallel that are together is a way to say parallel. It's the same and never touch, okay? So how many pairs of parallel sides? 1 pair. 2 lines, but 1 pair. Okay? Kind of like 1 pair of shoes. It actually has 2 shoes. Kind of tricky. All right, let's go. In the boxes below, write 2 related multiplication facts for the array that is shown. So let's start by how many down is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many across? 1, 2, 3. And what does 4 times 3 equal? Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah. We can also reverse it. Anyone remember the name of that property? Okay, if you remember the name of that property, hit me up with Google Classroom and let me know what property that is, okay? What property of multiplication is that? I'll give you a bonus point or a gold star or something excellent, okay? All right, boys and girls, we'll talk to you later.